Hi, I'm Lauren from Holy Beautiful, and today we are talking about some Drybar products and tools. So I just want to give a little background. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I have 6 years experience working behind the chair. I know my products. I've used a lot of different products over the years. I've spent way too much money on products and tools and everything else. I love really expensive tools like the Dyson. I have very expensive tastes and I have very high standards when it comes to products and tools for the hair. So one of my biggest struggles in the past however many years has been finding a dry shampoo that I like. I typically hate them all because they make the hair feel powdery and starchy and stiff and almost dirtier than your hair was before using it, and it also makes my head itch. And I just don't like dry shampoos, generally speaking. I have had a very hard time finding one that I was like, yes, I want to use this on my head every day. So I created a little poll on my Instagram asking people what their favorite dry shampoo was. And I was basically like, help me not hate this product. And the one thing that came up over and over was the Drybar Detox dry shampoo. And I was like, I haven't tried that one. What? Oh, okay. So I decided that I would get myself a little baby bottle of it to try it. I got this at Ulta, purchased it myself, and I have some thoughts. It's my favorite dry shampoo I've ever used. I don't know why it took me so long to try it. So what you need to know about it, I will get a full size of this, by the way. It does a fantastic job of absorbing oil. It does not leave your hair feeling overly chalky and powdery. It actually makes your hair feel clean again. And it smells really, really good. I am honestly shocked that it took me so long to try it. I don't know why I never thought to try this brand. Here's what I think. I think that when you're a hairdresser, you are so used to buying things in the professional store and you don't necessarily gravitate towards brands that you can't buy wholesale when you have your license, right? And Drybar is exclusive to Drybar, and if you work in the Drybar or retailers. So it's not something that's necessarily available in pro stores, but look at that. And it gives you some really nice volume too. Guys, like, I want a full-size bottle of this. I think it's an incredible dry shampoo, and I have literally never said that. I don't like dry shampoo normally, but this one is honestly a game changer for me. And so for everybody who recommended this for me to try, thank you so, so much. Because as a blonde now, I am trying to wash my hair less, so dry shampoo is something that's kind of essential. And because I was at Ulta and I happened to see some of their other products, I decided I needed to try them too. So I got a little baby bottle of this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. And the reason that I got this is this hot little baby right here. Dang it, Ulta, you freaking got me. This was at the checkout line in those little counters with all of the extra products to get your money at the end right before you check out. Yeah, it works. Okay, so this is their little baby brush crush. You see Drybar. And I have had a brush like this in the past. I really, really love them because they are excellent at taming my crazy baby hairs that are really wavy and kinked up. And so the other review I've done of this type of brush, it didn't have these really fine bristles on the outside, which don't really get hot. They're just to help corral the hair basically. And so this little sucker gets real hot though. That's the only downside of it. There is no temperature dial on this. You literally just turn it on. But it tames the hair so incredibly well. Gets up to 400 degrees. Tames those hairs so well, and as long as you're working fast, it's not a big deal. Like, you're not going to singe your hair off if you're moving it. And so, like, say for instance, like, I don't like this big puff of hair right here that's kind of making my head look like a funny shape. You just go up underneath it, smooth it out a little bit. I mean, it'll smooth it out all right. It's a fantastic little brush, and the reason I got it is because I'm going on a little trip and I wanted something really quick and easy and portable in my bag. And it was $60. It's not cheap, but it works really, really well. Like really, really well. But because it works so well, that's why I wanted to try the Prep Rally, because this has a heat protectant up to 450 degrees, which with my fine bleached hair, I need to protect it. So you put this in wet hair because it's a mist. It's not like an aerosol. So you put this in wet hair, so it's gonna protect your hair if you blow dry it, but also if you use any type of hot tools. And the thing that I found with this, even if I don't immediately like blow dry my hair, just having it in the hair helps to combat some of the frizz, first of all, but also it makes your hair feel really, really soft, and it's great for detangling. So I've been really, really impressed with this. Obviously, like I have to use it a lot longer with hot tools to let you know how well it protects the hair. Let's not burn all my hair off. But I really, really like all of these products from Drybar, and they're not cheap, but they work really, really well. I mean, leave it to a company that does blowouts to make like the most amazing dry shampoo ever, right? Like Drybar, take my money. You're too good. Anyway, I hope that this was helpful. If you've been someone struggling to find a dry shampoo, give this one a try. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps increase the visibility of my channel so I can continue to bring you these beauty reviews and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.